Hello students, now we are going to learn our next time saving result which is applicable for our CET, JEE and in another entrance examination for engineering. Okay, students, let us start our that time saving result, or you can say shortcut tricks. Okay. Students, our next time saving result can be written as d by dx of cos inverse of a cos x minus b sin x whole divided by under root of a square plus b square is equal to 1. Okay, in previous lecture we have studied that derivative of sin inverse of a cos x plus b sin x upon under root a square plus b square is equal to 1. Here derivative of cos inverse of a cos x minus b sin x upon under root a square plus b square is equal to also 1. Okay, first we are going to prove this result taking left hand side. Proof, taking left hand side, this is equal to d by dx of cos inverse of a cos x minus b sin x whole divided by under root of a square plus b square. This is equal to d by dx of cos inverse of. Okay, students, we know that cos of compound angle means cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a into cos of b plus sin a into sin of b, and cos of a plus b is equal to cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos of b minus sin a into sin of b. Please compare, means we have to use that format in our result. Okay, students, if we distribute the under root a square plus b square, which is the LCM of both terms present in numerator. Okay, please distribute under root a square plus b square with both terms. We get a upon under root a square plus b square into cos of x minus b upon under root of a square plus b square into sin x. Okay, students, any problem? Okay, so this is equal to d by dx of cos inverse of. Students, please we compare here minus sign, so we have to use second one. We have to use second formula, or you can say format. There is minus, there is connective between these two terms is negative, and here is also negative sign present working as a connective between these two terms. So we have to use this format. Students, if we assume a upon under root a square plus b square as a cos a, I am repeating, if a upon under root of a square plus b square is treating as or considered as cos a, then this means b upon under root a square plus b square should be equal to sin a. Okay, if a upon under root a square plus b square is equal to cos a, then b upon under root of a square plus b square should be equal to sin a. Okay, let us check this. Let a upon under root of a square plus b square is equal to cos of a. Then sin of a is equal to sin A is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos A is A upon under root A square plus B square. Squaring both numerator and denominator, we get A square upon A square plus B square. 1 is written as 1 by 1. Using cross multiplication, we get 1 into A square plus B square is A square plus B square minus A square into 1 A square. Whole divided by 1 is multiplied with A square plus B square. Result is A square plus B square. A square and A square get cancelled. B square is remaining, and square root of B square is B, and square root of A square plus B square is written as B upon under root of A square plus B square, and this one is matching. Okay, so if cos A is equal to A upon under root A square plus B square, then this is equal to sin A. So we can assume this term as cos A, and second one is cos X, minus this becomes sin A into sin of X. Okay, students, any problem? And this is equal to d by dx of cos inverse of cos of A plus X. Okay, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is equal to cos of A plus X, and we know that since cos inverse of cos X is equal to X, cos inverse cos of X is equal to X, and this is equal to d by dx of A plus X and d by dx of A plus d by dx of X, and this is a constant term. Means if we convert A, if we find A, we get A is equal to cos inverse of A upon root A square plus B square, which is constant, and derivative of any constant is 0. This is 0, and derivative of X with respect to X is 1. So our result is 1. So students, please make a note, and if you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Okay, please make a note. Okay, students, and thanks for watching.